Over the past year, Anycubic has steadily evolved its Kobra lineup, from the original Kobra 3 to the precision-focused Kobra S1 and the large-format Kobra 3 Max. Now, with the launch of the Kobra 3 V2, that evolution reaches a new milestone in stability, speed, and usability. Starting with hardware, the Kobra 3 V2 features a widened Y-axis from 40 to 60 millimeters for greater bed stability and reduced height deviation. The X-axis also receives upgraded SG15 bearings and refined eccentric nuts, minimizing vibration and improving print quality. Addressing a key issue from the original, the V2 now includes an all-metal, quick-release hot end, borrowed from the Kobra S1, to reduce nozzle leaks and simplify nozzle changes. A built-in 720p camera now comes standard, offering real-time monitoring and high-quality time lapses. And thanks to firmware updates, this feature will also be available to original Kobra 3 users with a camera installed. Software plays a major role in the upgrade. Print volume has increased from 250 by 250 by 260 millimeters to 255 by 255 by 255 260, all through software. This 4% boost is being rolled out to previous models too. A new regional auto bed leveling system targets only the print area, speeding up preparation and improving first layer accuracy, especially on smaller prints. The Kobra 3 V2 retains everything users loved about its predecessors. Blazing print speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, a fully assembled design for 15-minute setup, and the power of the Clipper-based Kobra OS with one-click input shaping and automatic pressure advance calibration. For multicolor printing, the V2 is fully compatible with the Anycubic Ace Pro and Color Engine. The combo includes a pre-built 8-color hub and a built-in filament dryer, delivering plug-and-play multicolor printing straight out of the box. What makes the Kobra 3 V2 stand out isn't just the new features, but the way Anycubic brings these benefits to existing users through software updates. It's a clear commitment to a long-lasting, user-friendly ecosystem. Pricing starts at $249 for the standalone printer, $379 for the 4-color combo, and $638 for the full 8-color setup. These early bird prices won't last long. The Anycubic Kobra 3 V2 isn't just an upgrade, it's a thoughtfully engineered leap forward in desktop 3D printing.